Welcome back to Business Lunch on CNBC TV 18. Let's now focus on the COVID scare emerging from China. Cases continue to soar after the government has withdrawn its zero COVID policy in China. Yesterday, the Director General of the World Health Organization said he was very concerned with the increasing report of the severe disease from China, and he's also appealed for more information on hospital facilities and intensive care requirements. In a bid to slow down the virus transmission, the health body has also advised Beijing to speed the process of vaccinating the most vulnerable. And rising COVID cases in China have also put authorities in India on high alert. Yesterday, the Health Ministry held a meeting to review the state of COVID preparedness in the country and issued an advisory asking the public to mask up in crowded places and urged states to conduct genome sequencing of positive samples to keep track of emerging variants. The government of Uttar Pradesh also held a review meeting earlier, and the Chief Minister has issued orders for face masks to be worn in crowded public places. Positive samples will also be sent for genome sequencing, and he has also instructed health workers to increase testing and vaccinations. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde will also take stock of the COVID situation in the state later today, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair a high-level COVID review meeting at 3:30 p.m. later today. Well, just a short while ago, the Health Ministry has clarified about a message that is circulating in some WhatsApp groups regarding an XBB variant of COVID-19, saying that the message is fake and misleading. So I urge all our viewers, investors and stakeholders to not, follow any of these messages, to not indulge in any panic situation. The government is being very proactive as far as COVID management is concerned, and let's just abide by the protocols. Well, earlier today, we also got in touch with the microbiology professor, Dr. Gagandeep Kang, who echoed our view, saying that India could have the advantage of hybrid immunity and it may not be necessary for everyone to mask up once again. Also, there is no need to panic at this point in time. Listen in.
This idea that everybody must suddenly start to mask up is, I don't think, completely appropriate, because I think we have to think about why we want to wear masks. And certainly for people who are vulnerable to protect themselves, it's important to wear masks. In India, we have the advantage of hybrid immunity. We have experienced all the waves of the virus, but there are two specific aspects we need to consider. One is that this is an Omicron variant, which in general is not as bad as the Delta variant.
All right. Well, also an alert for all our viewers right now. Health Minister Mansukhh will be briefing the Parliament at 2 p.m. on the COVID situation in the country. So do stay tuned in for that. And once again, you can raise your protocols and get your masks in place, but please do not panic. Moving on, 2022 saw some of the most high-profile mergers and acquisitions dominating the deal space. The year gone by was marked by some much-awaited bailouts and landmark deal closures. It was also the year M&A activity in India defied expectations. Our colleague Nisha Podar gets us a deep dive on all that's hot in 2022.